Welcome to NDAI Tips. Today, we will embark on an exciting journey to explore a powerful and creative new AI tool, PicLumen FLUX 1. Have you ever witnessed a neural network break through its own limitations? And what if the boundary between computational creativity and human art isn't just blurred but completely redefined? Get ready to see that become a reality. Imagine this, a neural network that doesn't just create images but captures the essence of light. Whether it's the soft light of dawn or the dynamic reflections of neon lights on wet streets, now that vision has become a reality with PicLumen's FLUX 1 model, redefining what AI-generated art can achieve, and it's completely free. But can PicLumen's FLUX 1 stand up to industry competitors like Midjourney? Whether it's detailed character design, a fantastical world, or a vibrant portrait, FLUX 1 consistently maintains quality on par with Midjourney in many different styles and types of prompts. However, where FLUX 1 truly excels is in handling complex lighting conditions and offering diverse interpretations of images, something that even Midjourney sometimes struggles with. So now, let's take it step by step to explore how anyone can easily start creating stunning images with PicLumen's intuitive platform. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a first-time user. To use PicLumen, you can find the link to the website in the description or comments section of this video. Step 1. After accessing PicLumen, click on Generate for free and log in with your Google or Apple account. A new window will appear, and after logging in, click on the Create option from the left menu. Here, you will also see the history of images created previously for easy reference. Step 2. Enter your prompt. At the top of the page, you will find a text box, where you can describe the image you want, with as much detail as possible to ensure an accurate result. Step 3. Choose a model and aspect ratio. Above the text box, you can choose from available models like FLUX 1, Realistic V2, or Anime V2, with each model pre-tuned for specific styles and image results. Next to the model selector, you can also adjust the aspect ratio, which is useful for creating different formats like square, landscape, or portrait images. Step 4. Generate images in bulk. You can choose to generate up to 4 images at once by using the bulk generate option next to the model selector. Step 5. Refine your prompt. Below the text box, you can expand your prompt with the Prompt Enhance feature to ensure your request is as precise as possible. You can even translate your prompt into English with a single click on the Auto Translate button. Additionally, you can click the Filter button to add negative prompts, helping avoid unwanted content. Step 6. Advanced settings. Try adjusting parameters like CFG scale, steps, and the seed value to have more control over the final result. Step 7. Generate your image. Once you're ready with your prompt and settings, click the Generate button. In just a moment, your image will appear, ready for you to review and further refine. As you can see, FLUX 1 delivers impressive results, competing with Midjourney, especially in terms of lighting, color accuracy, and overall image quality, while offering better control in the creative process. Moreover, PicLumen is revolutionizing AI art, with a finely tuned model set and a powerful FLUX 1 tool, all accessible via web and mobile. And with the recent release of the PicLumen app, users can now access all of the platform's premium features anytime and anywhere. Moreover, the In Paint feature allows you to edit specific areas in the image, without affecting the overall composition. This means that whether you want to adjust the lighting, change the background, or remove unwanted details, In Paint will seamlessly blend everything with the rest of the image. On the other hand, the Expand feature allows you to expand your canvas beyond its original limits. This is especially useful when you've created a portrait, but need more background, or perhaps a landscape that needs more depth. With Expand, your image will be extended, while maintaining its original style and ambience. Not only does it stop at creating images, PicLumen also provides essential tools for post-processing, such as the AI background remover tool, Remove BG, helping to instantly remove backgrounds for professional quality images, perfect for personal or commercial projects. And if you want to enhance your image further, Upscale will upgrade low-resolution images to 4K sharpness with just one click. The result is sharper details and noise reduction, ensuring every pixel is meaningful, whether you're preparing images for print or improving old photos for high-resolution screens. All these things make PicLumen FLUX one more than just a tool, but a revolution in AI-generated art, from mastering complex lighting to offering unprecedented creative control, with features like redrawing and expanding image areas. FLUX One is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in digital art. So, click the link below and try PicLumen today, to bring the power of FLUX One and other advanced models right to your fingertips. And you can do it all for free on any device. Thank you for watching today's video on NDAI tips. If you want to explore more of the power of PicLumen FLUX One and take your creativity to new heights, click the link below and experience it now. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest tutorials. Wishing you success in your AI creative journey, and see you in the next video.